Hello, and thank you for joining us for the April edition of our Markets at a Glance update. GDP results released in April reported the U.S. economy contracted 1.4% for the first quarter. This was due to several reasons. First, the U.S. saw a widening trade deficit, which means the U.S. continues to increase the amount of imported goods compared to what we export. Second, the U.S. continued to experience supply chain disruptions, exacerbated by COVID lockdowns in China. And third, business inventories declined relative to the fourth quarter. However, consumer spending, which makes up approximately two-thirds of the economy, rose 2.7% on an annualized basis. Both stocks and bonds experienced declines during the month, with investors concerned about rising interest rates, decades-high inflation, moderated corporate earnings, and continued conflict in Ukraine. The S&P 500 index fell nearly 9% in April, while international stocks were down 6.3%. The Bloomberg U.S. Aggregate Bond Index fell 3.8%. The NASDAQ index recorded its worst monthly decline since 2008, with more than a 13% drop. The FANG stocks, a group of mega tech companies, has come under pressure with mixed earnings results. Let's take a closer look in our chart of the month. Netflix surprised investors with poor first quarter results and a loss of 200,000 subscribers. Amazon posted its first quarterly loss since 2015. And finally, the Labor Department reported that U.S. employers added 428,000 non-farm jobs in April, and the unemployment rate remained at 3.6%. To read more about this news and to see how it affected our fund performance for April, please check out the latest monthly investment report.